Promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres que brinda la vida, que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres, como acariciarte, conocerte de raíz. Recupera la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny, tu flow bastante cari, alright. Hermoso y con timites me gusta, y con esas sencillas que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es combi completa, de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono, te subo el pitch y te derrito. Promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo.
Now I came across this tree. It's a red cedar tree. As you can see, the leaves is very wide. Now I'm going to measure it right here.
Sin estrés, muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres que brinda la vida, que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres, como acariciarte, conocerte de raíz. Recupera la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny, tu flow bastante cari, alright. Hermoso y con timites me gusta, y con esas sencillas que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es combi completa, de cabeza a los pies. Sin efecto.
So the tree's trunk diameter is about 105 inches. So we are going to multiply that with the growth factor of 4.5, and that's about more than it's roughly about 450 years. What is it doing? Well, I'm trying to creating a video about how old is the tree.
How old is the tree?
Yeah, so this one I was able to measure. It's about 105 inch diameter. Multiplied with a growth factor of 4.5, and this is 450 years old.
4.5 is the factor?
Growth factor,
the constant?
yeah.
Achha.
It's 450 years old.
Wow.
So this has been around since the 16th century.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. This is the biggest tree so far that I was able to measure here. Most of them are 200 years old, 300 years old, but this one is 450.
250.
Yeah.
So it's diameter times 4.5.
Yeah, times 4.9,
More or
roughly,
less.
more or less. There might be some 5% difference, but more or less 400 plus.
Huh. For all species.
No, it depends because this is red cedar tree.
Red cedar,
yeah.
that's the formula.
So there's a lot of some other trees has a higher multiplier of 7.
Achha.
Yeah,
What kind of tree are those?
there's a lot of them I can't remember, but this one I remember is more or less 4 to 4.5.
That's fascinating. You know?
Yeah.
Except when it started, it must have been surrounded by entirely different
totally different. It could be
Everything,
different.
undergrowth, everything, yeah.
I think the rest of this is maybe, yeah, because most of them are small trees, right?
Right. What about that species?
I'm not sure about that.
Huh.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Interesting, yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's getting too loud in here. It's time to get out. I'm reading you loud and clear, though there's no need to shout. And time will be all we need. But for now, we'll take all the pieces, all of the reasons to stay. I'm waiting tonight. I'm waiting for all of this now. I think we just might. I'm waiting for all of the reasons to stay. I'm wasting my time in here. I need to get out.